What is up, gamers? Today we have a pretty disgusting DS Lite here. It is in extremely rough shape, gouges, heavy scratches everywhere. But we see, look at that rust coming through the volume switch. Cracks, more cracks, got more rust, so much dirt. I mean, look at the charge port. It's just straight rusty, and then we see the bottom. Dude, this DS is absolutely destroyed. The shoulder buttons, they have zero click to them. If we look into the GBA port, dude, is nasty. Okay, it's nasty. So this guy is obviously unfixable. He's beyond the point of being fixed, but we're going to take a look at this guy. We're going to take a deep dive into all of the components, all the little goodies inside of here, and we can see it is not supposed to sound like this whenever you shake it, obviously. So yeah, let's get this guy taken apart. We're going to see what is up with this guy. And there ain't no way I'm going inside of this guy at all without some gloves on. First things first, these rubber pads, these rubber pads are like hard. You see that? They're literally hard. I'm surprised this screw is not rusted out. I kind of hope the battery isn't in here. Okay, there's not. There's not a battery in here. Look how crusty. I mean, this stuff, it's just straight up dust and crud. Absolutely nasty. Well, these screws are definitely stripped from rust already. I was able to get that one. Oh, that one. Alright, this one is totally stripped. That one is totally stripped. These Y ones should be okay since they're a little farther away. Never mind, that guy looks to be totally stripped as well. Alright, so we're gonna have to, we're gonna need to do some finagling to get this guy off. I couldn't even get that black screw off. We're just gonna have to absolutely force it off. I don't even know. Okay, we're gonna cut this out. Okay, so that should be able to pry up now. Mostly for the most part. It's coming. Yeah, man, I don't really know how to go about getting this guy apart. It's gonna ball it, I guess. Dude, the rust is insane. Wow, puff of rust smoke. There we have it. Wow. This DS is insane. I mean, I don't know if it's from the force that I just used to take it off, but the volume switch is totally taken apart. I mean, the power switch, this was already off before we even opened it. Dude, look at that. The stylus port is cracked. I've never seen that before. I mean, I did brute force it open, so... Wow, my desk is nothing but, like, rust particles right now. Look at the shoulder button, dude. Absolute carnage. Like, what was... I want to know what happened. Like, how did this happen? It obviously happened over years and years of misuse. Probably just sitting in an ocean. I'm gonna get my desk cleaned up right now, that's for sure. I mean, look at my... Wow, look at that, dude. Like, look. Crazy. We gotta bring in the big spray bottle here for, cleaning that up. I mean, look at this. This is the potentiometer from one of the screens. So now, let's take a look at this Wi-Fi chip. I mean, look at the rust that settled around the rubber adhesive, thick rubber adhesive piece thingy. Insane. We're going to be taking a look at this motherboard under a microscope. So here we have our DS under the microscope. Look at this motherboard. Look at the rust. Look at that. That's just absolutely insane. This here's that potentiometer I was talking about. It's supposed to go right there, but it's not anymore. Can kind of scrape this rust away. I mean, hey, it looks clean underneath, but I'll tell you, it's nasty. Over here to this side, I mean, like, what's even... This screw is totally stripped. There's no way that we would ever be able to get in there. I mean, like, look at all these chips and just all of the corrosion all around these chips. The shoulder button, it's totally missing. Probably from when I brute forced it open. And here's this rust here that formed around the rubber adhesive, thick rubber adhesive piece thingy. There's that Y screw. That doesn't look like a Y to me. That looks like a circle. Yeah, this thing is absolutely disgusting. And it's so cool to see it under this microscope. So I'm going to go ahead and continue with disassembly, or attempt to at least. It's not looking too good. It is not looking too good. Let's see if we can get this screw out. This one looks a little more promising than the other one, but it still looks extremely stripped. Oh! It's seated in there. Let's see if I can use these pliers to help. If we can get one of the screws, then we'll probably be able to get the board out. I don't know if that's going to work. I don't think I even did anything. That's unfortunate. I was really hoping to see the inside of this board here, but there's just no way. That's as far as we can go. Check out the screen, though. Look at all this carnage. Like, look at that. What is that? This looks insane under the microscope. It kind of looks like an eye. Is that like mold or something? All right, well, I'm gonna get this thing thrown away. I mean, look at the bottom screen, dude. You can see it's all cracked. Wow. Ah, look at these scratches all up close. This shell piece here, again, just rust, stripped screws, carnage all over. In the trash you go. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this as much as I do. I love breaking down these absolutely disgusting DSs and just seeing what kind of carnage there is. It's just so cool to me. Thanks a lot for watching, guys. I'll see you in the next one. I'll have some super cool repairs. I have a lot of really cool custom shell swaps coming. Subscribe, have those notifications on, and I'll see you in the next one.